Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is 20 feet width in meter 6 meter and the length is 10 feet in meter 3 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 12 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 3.65 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the sofa cum bed and also a tea table, and we have dining counter here with 2 chairs. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of the living cum dining area, and we have small wash basin here. After that we will go left side. So we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen area is 7 feet 2 inches into 5 feet in meter 2.18 into 1.52 meter. You can see here the large size window for ventilation of the kitchen, and you can see here the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement. And we have a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet into 4 feet in meter 2.13 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.